Hi guys, Kandi Blaze McCrae here with Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland, Ohio. Guys, I don't even know where to begin. You know what's behind me? You guys have seen it in our previous videos. It's a 1972 International Travelall. Okay, now this is a personal build of myself and Rob McCrae's, and I know you followed it some with the custom 3-row seating and the back seat that's rear facing, and we actually have an air ride system. We're getting ready to slam it down to the ground. We took this thing, and yeah, right, okay, this is how it's been, guys. We went to Pennsylvania this last weekend to the Steeltown Shakedown, guys. Wow, it was at the historic Carrie burn furnaces, these huge, insane, blast furnaces. This is a historic site in Rankin, Pennsylvania, right outside of Pittsburgh. And the show was simply packed with everything from rat rods, custom builds, to a few show shine cars too. And you know what? We drove the travel rat, guys. You see that? I actually did this. This is a little freehand International Harvester rat fink I did on here. And we actually drove this, myself, Rob McCrae, Chevy Cheyenne, and our good friend Wayne. And we drove almost 4 hours because we couldn't take it at 70 miles an hour on the interstate. And we drove to the event, had a great time, went to downtown Pittsburgh afterwards, and yeah, you guys guessed it, we cruised downtown in the travel rat, and we even stopped by McCrae Way, guys, and I jumped out and took a picture. What an epic trip. You know, I love show shine, I love beautiful cars, but if you build them yourself, it's not always about the perfection, it's about the memories and the experiences being made. Now, however, if you do want perfection and to pay somebody to do it or yourself, that's awesome, and I'm your gal and my team's here for you. Like behind me is Mopar Mobley, and she's been working on the 1967 Corvette. Now guys, she's doing the last bit of the sanding with the DA, and then we are taking that body off of the frame, and that's our next rotisserie. So what's a rotisserie? Have you guys ever been to the market and seen a chicken on a spit or a rotisserie, or like a hog at a hog roast, and you can rotate it 360 degrees? That's what a rotisserie is, and that 67 back there is the very next rotisserie build. So she's hard at work doing that. But guys, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I know you're, we'll talk about what's behind me here in just a second. There we go, all right. You guys guessed it, the 1932 5-window steel body Ford. That's right, this is becoming an incredible custom street rod here at Kandi's. And you guys, yeah, that's right. Of course, Chevy Cheyenne is the lead builder. She is so metal, you guys. So she has been doing some meticulous welding work on this car over here. Check that out, guys. We are documenting everything on this vehicle like we do with all the rides here at Kandi's. And before you know it, I'll be posting pictures up, and you guys are going to watch one just incredible hot rod, street rod build back there. I know you saw the 57. She's probably about a week and a half out from the next layers of primer, and again, that's an after hours job. But guys, we're busy enough that we're trying to work hard on the after hour, but we're also working very hard on the current hour jobs, like that beautiful 1932 back there, guys. You know what? She's got a name. Well, Chevy Cheyenne's got a name, but the car's got a name. That's Penny Lane, and I love it when cars have a name, because that means that they have a huge personal history with the family or the owners, and there's always a story, and well, I love it when people tell me stories. Okay, I'm so excited about this car, so excited. You've been watching the build, you've seen the pictures. It's back for the last finishing touches, the 1970 Oldsmobile W34 4.2 convertible. Whew, that's a mouthful, right? But that's what that beautiful car is. And you guys know the challenge here at Kandi's, right? Of course you do. I'm always talking about this. I don't like vinyl. I can't help it. Vinyl's awesome for certain things, but I'm in a paint world. I'm in a fabrication and an automotive world. And so all of this stuff that you see on the Kandi's builds, that's painted on there. Those are hand laid with the tape, fine line tapes, masked off, and then Teacher Tom back there, our shop foreman and painter, does some of the most meticulous paint jobs ever. And I always tell people, take our challenge. Take your finger with the owner's permission or our permission, and always on a clean body. but take your finger and rub it over those lines. If you can feel a variance or a difference, it means that it's gone over other paint or other work. Here at my shop, you don't feel that. You make sure it's completely smooth and you can't feel any variance at all. I was actually hoping to show you pictures of the Nova of myself and Rob McCray, but what I'll have to do is pop up some film and some clips of it because Rob's out enjoying it right now, and I can't say anything because I drove it in the other day, and oh my gosh, guys, the 396 in it, built by BoxPerformance with the 4-speed Muncie, and oh my gosh, I don't even know what to tell you about it. You know what, as the video's showing, let's talk about it. Okay, so what we did on this 70 Nova is we took a base red color, then we took a micro metal flake, a Roth micro metal flake, and put down on it. Did 4 rounds of clear, guys. Can you believe that? 4 rounds of clear. And then we wet sanded with 1,000 grit on that. Then we laid the SS stripes, again, they're painted on there, followed by the custom laid flames with 4 pearls with House of Color. Then we did another micro metal flake, then 5 rounds of clear, and then we wet sanded it with 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000 grit, guys. Buffed and polished that. Woo! Okay, it's a lot of work, but that's why we've gotten the reputation for being extremely meticulous here at Kandi's, because, well, I'm extremely meticulous. So let's talk about that. So, like, guys, under 3% of women in the entire United States of America do what the ladies here at Kandi's Rods and Customs do. And it's for 2 reasons. 2 reasons. One, there's not a huge amount of ladies that want to do this, but you'd be surprised, there's actually more than you think. However, ladies go into these shops with knowledge, with a little bit of experience, with some schooling, or with drive and passion, and a lot of times they're turned away or they're put on a detailing or cleaning or sweeping simply for the fact that a lot of times we're still told that we shouldn't be doing this. So I tell my girls, not only do we have to do it, we have to do it better than everybody else out there. So when the naysayers come along to try to pick us apart, they can't. That's the type of quality you get here at Kandi's. Yeah, right? Every guy's dream right there. 1969 Camaro. And guys, this beautiful car is getting stripped down, getting redone, getting one hell of a Kandi's custom paint on there. Matters of fact, the owner saw the Nova. Well, you should have seen the sparkle in his eyes, or it might have been a reflection of the metal flake, I don't know. But either way, he fell in love with it. And stay tuned, because this beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, 1969 Camaro is gonna get an extensive amount of work here at Kandi's, and you know you're gonna wanna follow that every single step of the way as we tear her down, take her apart, and strip her down. I can't wait to feel all those body lines and those curves and to know every speck of her, and that way we can make her better than the day she came out of the factory in 1969, guys. So stay tuned to this build, it's so exciting. And don't forget, 67 Corvette. Wait, okay, so you're telling me, did you guys just catch that, right? 67 Corvette, 427, rotisserie build. Okay, and we have a 57 Chevy here that's a 150 all steel body Pro Tour mod resto with a 454 BoxPerformance big block motor that's going to be EFI. Did I mention BoxPerformance EFI? Big block, guys. Tubular A-arms, rack and pinion, 4-link coilover, all that. Woo! 32 Ford, a 5-window back there. You guys just saw that. 69 Corvette, 70 Oldsmobile, my Nova and Rob's Nova. I don't know if it's like super hot in here because this September day is like super hot, or have you guys not seen all the incredible hotness around me? Anyway, guys, wow, okay. So, the cars are just insane around here and I absolutely love it. Are you looking at my shirt? What does that say? I don't even know what that says. This says, show me your pitties. Oh my gosh, you guys, show me your pitties, your pit bulls. So, good friends of mine, Michelle and Chris, run Pretties for Pitties. It's a non-profit. I would love for you to check it out. See that right there? Pretties for Pitties, www.prettiesforpitties.com. You guys know I'm always up in Detroit, Michigan. This is why. This is exactly why right here. I love Pretties for Pitties. I love helping out. I love being an ambassador, guys. It is phenomenal what they do, and I'm going to post some statistics up here to show you what we do, why we do it, and how you can help. We are not a rescue. We are helping feed, helping continue to house, helping people afford to take care of their animals that are much needed, guys. So check out those statistics. Check out prettiesforpitties.com. And speaking of Pretties for Pitties, guys, so then we just talked about them. October 26th, I will be in Battle Creek, Michigan at a benefit for Pretties for Pitties at a place called Heartbeats. So I'll leave the rest up to you guys. You can check it out. The area that we're going to be at, the place that we're going, looks like a giant toolbox with cars on the side. So check out Heartbeats online and know that every penny raised goes to the pit bulls and what we do. Okay, guys. Yeah, 69 back there. You know what that is? Whoop, there you go. That's the floor, guys. That's the floor for the 1932. You guessed it, right there, that Chevy Cheyenne is working on. All right, guys. So much is coming up. We just talked about the Pretty for Pitties. The first weekend in October, guys, you guessed it, Halloween thing at Dragway 42 in West Salem, Ohio. The new Dragway 42, guys, 12-point-some million dollar beautiful facility. Oh my goodness, best track in the whole damn land, you guys. I kid you not, like, that's the word. Rock and Race was absolutely phenomenal. Everybody loves the track. Mass Traction has done the most incredible job I've ever seen in my entire life up there. You have to come to the new Dragway 42, and why not check it out? It's a Halloween thing. First weekend in October, and on a Saturday is going to be a special trick-or-treat night for the kids, costume contest, trailer decorating contest, touch a truck and race car. That's right, bring your kids out. They can climb in Dirty Gertie, my truck. They're gonna see some really cool other trucks, some cars, some gassers, and we're encouraging kids to climb in them, ask questions, pretend you're driving, and you know, guys, that's how it starts, right? It starts with Hot Wheels and being around cars ourselves. So I'm gonna bring that to Dragway 42 the first weekend in October. My booth will be up there. Some of the team will be up there. I got some other really big announcements to make about up there too, but I'll save that for the future. I'm hot as all these cars. I gotta go, guys. Kandi Blaze with Kandi's Rods and Customs. It's too hot to think. I'll see you later. Bye.